Yeah, it looks like they're moving some stuff because now they can take the sliding glass door section and they're going to pop it off of there. I think all they're going to do is grab it, raise it up, and swivel it out at the bottom. Let's see if that's what they're going to do here. That's holding the fixed panel into place. Get those screws out of there. Now he's going to pull out the active part of the sliding door, the part that slides. I'm going to stay right here. The deck's kind of small out there, so I want to stay out of the way. So they're going to lift it up from the bottom. There it is. Angle it out. Be careful with it, and it comes right out. All sliding glass doors are done slightly different, so you just want to look and see where the screws are. Some of them fit in a pocket, and he's trying to loosen it up. Well, I'm thinking there might be another screw down here, but maybe not. No, there's one more screw down there. Ooh, good one. I like that little tool there he's got. Yeah, see? That whole thing was installed with two little screws that he took out, top and bottom. Okay, now they've got that slid out, they can lift up, slide it out. Just like that. Pretty slick. Usually there's more screws on the inside that you have to look for before you can take this whole jam out of here, this whole thing here. Okay. No screws on the bottom, huh? Wonder how well they got this in here. They might have it all masked it down. Just loosening that up. Trying to get it loose everywhere.
No, just pull. I'm trying to bend. Yank it that way in the middle. Just to give it a real view. Okay, that's good. That's good. There you go. Okay.
They're just bending it out of whack because they're not going to save that for anything. We'll see. I think they've done this before. Oh, look at that. Look at that. London Bridge is falling down. Okay. See the bottom. Looks like it's just going to come out of there. No screws on the bottom. That was odd. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm going to recommend you using gloves. These guys don't have any gloves on. use gloves, and I usually use a lumbar back support and, you know, maybe a dust mask or something. Whatever. Just be careful with that stuff. That aluminum will cut you up in a minute if you let it. So you can pull that down. Usually it's attached with some screws or something. It's been up for a while. You can break it off too. However, just be careful. Easy as you go. The most sliding glass door systems are aluminum. You could take that in and get some money for it at the scrapyard if you wanted. Recycle that aluminum when you can. See, it did have mastic down there at the bottom. He's just cleaning it up with his little scraper. Get everything clean. And see how they wrapped the tie back from before? They wrapped it in here before they installed the window from before. Now, I don't know. They'll probably take this section off. You know, one step at a time. Clean that all up. Now, it's important to realize when you take the sliding glass door section off, you know, the active part, the part that slides back and forth, you have to open the door just about all the way first, then pop it off. Okay, it's designed that way so that if you have a sliding door like that that goes to the outside, an intruder can't just lift up your sliding glass door and pull it off. Okay, so when you get ready to take it off, slide it open, lift it, swivel it out, and away you go. Now if you notice that sheetrock's hanging over the ledge right there. And they're going to cut that off because their door system, they don't need that. So every door system is slightly different. You want to cut that off, score it on the back side with your sheetrock knife like they're doing. Okay, then it will break off nice and easy. Less mess too. Don't cut yours off until you know for a fact that your new system needs that off. Okay, because if you're going to put the same similar metal frame in, you might need that little piece of sheetrock there. Okay, so he scored it. Oh, he's scoring it on this side too to make it easier. Looks like he's done this a few times. He's just scoring it just to make it easier to break off. And that section will snap off. It doesn't have to be perfect because he's got trim. That little bit's kind of hard to break off as it is because it's so small. You know, that's why he scored it on both sides. It doesn't have to be perfect because they have new trim to put in on the front side. Okay. There he goes. Important to use a sharp knife when you're doing this and keep your fingers out of the way. You don't want to cut yourself. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.